Oh my god, it sounds so smooth, seriously. It sounds so great with this plugin. Have you ever wondered why your vocals lack this warmth and presence that you hear on the radio? Do you know the secret technique that top producers use to make vocals stand out? There is one simple trick that can give this extra something. Let me know if you can hear the difference.
Maybe I'm just losing my mind. Maybe I'm just losing my mind. Maybe I'm just losing my mind. Maybe I'm just losing my mind.
Hey guys, I am DJ Legion from Audio Waves Academy, and today I wanted to show you one mixing trick that if you master it and understand the purpose behind it, it will really make your vocal sound warmer. To achieve this sound, we are going to use 6 different plugins, but not at the same time. I just want to show you what every plugin does and how it can make the character of the vocal. We are going to separate the plugins into tape emulators and saturators. Before I start and show you how these plugins work, let me explain what the difference between analog saturation and tape emulator is and how they really work. Analog saturation is a way to make sound warmer and richer. Imagine listening to music that feels flat and boring, but when you add analog saturation, it's like turning up the colors and making the picture a bit more vibrant. It adds this special kind of warmth and texture to the sound, which makes it a bit more pleasant to listen to. Now about the tape emulators, a long time ago people were recording music on big spinning tapes. When music was recorded on these tapes, the sound would change a little bit and it was becoming warmer and fuller. This change was called saturation. Even though we mostly use computers to record music these days, we still like to have this warm and full sound, so we use special tools to add this saturation effect to our music, even though we are not using tapes. For example, here right now on my project, I have 2 tape emulators. The one is from Waves and the other one is from UAD. And I got also some other plugins that are analog saturators. For example, this one here, the NLS, and the Decapitator from Soundtoys, and also the Saturn 2 is one of my favorite also. So to sum up, the tape machine emulators are specific to tape recording characteristics that include this tape hiss, the wall, and the flutter, while saturation plugins are more general and can emulate a variety of analog gear, including tubes and transistors. Enough with the theory, let's go and have a look right now on our project. This is the vocal and this is how it sounds right now inside the project.
I always seem to be my own worst enemy. Overthinking things seems to get the best of me. Building up these walls, hoping they don't see all this self-doubt and insecurities. I'm trying to find my way back home, 'cause I feel like maybe I'm just losing my mind. Trying to find my way in this world, trying to find my way in this world where I've been hiding.
It sounds okay, but somehow it is getting like drawn away, and I'm going to use for this purpose the first plugin that I'm going to show you, and you can go and try it out also, is the NLS channel from Waves. And here right now we have, I just put it to the drive like 6 and 7. We are going to have a listen, and I'm going to make a loop here just on the vocal. And you got also 3 different settings, algorithms, let's say. It's the spike, the mic, and the niveau. Let's have a listen how it sounds right now.
Maybe I'm just losing my mind. 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 Trying to find my way in this world, trying to find my way in this world where I've been hiding.
really like how this the mic studio preset sounds. Now let's go and deactivate this one, and I'm going to use a pretty common plugin, the saturator plugin, which is the decapitator from Soundtoys. Let's make again the loop.
Maybe I'm just losing my mind.
Here we got also some different styles. I will go and overdo it a little bit to have a listen how everything sounds.
Maybe I'm just losing my mind. 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 Maybe I'm just.
The E style sounds so loud, but I am between the A and the N.
Maybe I'm just losing my mind. Maybe I'm just losing my mind. Maybe I'm just losing my mind. Maybe I'm just losing my mind.
You can also go and boost here the tone.
Maybe I'm just losing my mind. Maybe I'm just losing my mind.
Let's have a listen how it sounds now on the track.
Maybe I'm just losing my mind. Trying to find my way in this world, trying to find my way in this world where I've been hiding.
I hope you can understand how this saturator works, and every saturator has its own characteristic. The Saturn II is also a pretty common and a pretty popular saturator because it's also a multi-band saturator. You can go, for example, here and saturate only the frequencies between, let's say, for example, 300 and 5K, somewhere there.
Maybe I'm just losing my mind. Maybe I'm.
Okay, right now I'm overdoing it, but I want to check it out how it sounds.
Maybe I'm just losing my mind. Maybe I'm just losing my mind. Maybe I'm just losing my mind. Maybe I'm just losing my mind.
It is much richer when I'm activating the Saturn II. And also you can go and try the black box from Plugin Alliance. This is also a really great plugin. You will see me using it a lot of times in this channel.
Maybe I'm just losing my mind. Maybe I'm just losing my mind. Maybe I'm just losing my.
It makes the high frequencies much richer and not, how can I explain it? It makes it much richer and more pleasant, to say the truth. It doesn't like rip your ear.
Maybe I'm just losing my mind.
Let's have a listen also how it sounds on the track.
It always seemed to be my own worst enemy. Overthinking things seems to get the best of me. 'Cause I feel like maybe I'm just losing my mind. Trying to find my way in this world, trying to find my way in this world where I've been hiding.
And I am not activating the plugins here, the effects, in purpose, because I don't want you to focus so much on the effects that you have. I just want you to focus on the character of every plugin, what it does. So let's go. Now we are going to use the tape emulators, as I mentioned earlier. The UAD standard, the A800, is like one of the best for me. I really love this plugin. And let me show you how it sounds.
Maybe I'm just losing my mind. 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 Maybe I'm just losing my mind.
You can hear right away that when I activate the tape emulator here, the vocal becomes so smooth and so warm. But let me check out also how it sounds in the track.
Maybe I'm just losing my mind, trying to find my way in this world, trying to find my way in this world where I've been hiding. I've been.
Oh my god, it sounds so smooth, seriously. It sounds so great with this plugin. And you're gonna go and try the J37 from Waves. Let's have a listen.
'Cause I feel like maybe I'm just losing my mind, trying to find my way in this world, trying to find my way in this world where I've been hiding. Maybe I'm just losing my mind, trying to find my way in this world, trying to find my way in this world where I've been hiding.
For example, here this plugin, it doesn't make the track smoother, it makes it more present on the high frequencies. For some people this might be your goal, but if you want a more smoother kind of sound, I would highly recommend to go with a UAD Starter A800. And this is the preset that I had here. It was the Vocal 30 IPS, and it sounds so amazing. But I would really like also to hear your opinion about this. Please let me know in the comments below which one you like the most and which are you using most of the times when you are mixing your vocals. And by the way, if you want to learn how to make a vocal chain that will sound always awesome, check out this video.